Yeah. So in the last sessions, I mean yesterday we started a demo. Okay. Regarding this core and advanced Python along with data structures. So it is 5 weekends class, 5 or 6 weekends. 6 weekends will be there. The timings of this session is not at 8:30, sir. It is from 10 o'clock. From the coming Saturday onwards, the class timings is nothing but 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And this is nothing but the syllabus, which I already explained in the last session. In first module, what topics we are going to cover. In the second module, in the third module, and fourth module, fifth module, total 6 modules will be there. We need to get more focus on first module and fourth module, because the first module is going to talk about completely fundamentals, whereas the fourth module is going to talk about object oriented programming. In the real time scenarios, how we are going to implement the programs is completely based on object oriented programming. And even data structures, what are the data structures that we are going to cover as a part of this course is nothing but these are the data structures. First, we will see introduction to data structures, introduction to algorithms, then how to calculate the time and space complexities. Then we have inbuilt data structure is there called arrays. In Python, this arrays is called as list. Then string data structures. Recursion means what? How to implement recursive algorithms, backtracking. So divide and conquer, dynamic programming, greedy algorithms, sorting. Different kind of sorting algorithms are there, like bubble sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, insertion sort, and even searching algorithms, binary search, linear search. Then hashing, how hashing is going to be implemented. Then linked list data structure. So we have single linked list, double linked list, circular single linked list, circular double linked list. Then stack data structure, queue data structure, tree data structure, binary tree, binary search tree, AVL tree, heap tree, graph. Anyway, once if the sessions got started, if I explain the topics, then only you can understand very well. In the demos, you can't get complete information. Okay. And yesterday, even we started doing some programs also, like how to print hello world message on the screen. I explained. Next, second program, we have performed addition of two numbers. For doing this addition, statically, we have given the values like x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to x plus y. We performed addition of these two numbers. Then we have seen how to perform addition by taking the dynamic data from the user. Whenever you are taking the data dynamically from the user, what will happen? By default, it will be always in the form of string. By default, it will be always in the form of string it is going to take. Sir, I don't want to take in the form of string. I want to perform integer additions. In such cases, what we have to do? So you need to use int function for converting the given data into integer. Okay, then these are the programs which we covered in the last demo sessions. I think up to this, there is no doubt for you people. If you are clear with this, continuation of these programs, I want to talk, sir. Up to this, no doubt, right? Please confirm. Sir, up to this, any doubt?
No doubt.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then example 5. Sir, same program I want to take. Same program I want to take, like addition of two numbers. Yesterday, we discussed about this program, right? Let me run this code and check what will happen in this case. Already we executed this program in yesterday's session, where we saved our programs test folder. Sir, py space I am giving test.py. Listen, sorry, what is the file name that we have given? Sunday, right? Sunday.py. It is asking enter first number. I am giving first number as a 10, second number 20. It is performing addition like 30. Sir, I don't want result like this. I want result in this style. like a value is equal to, or in our program we have taken x, right? So x value is equal to, okay, x value is equal to 10. So, and then followed by some space, y value is equal to 20. And maybe, sir, addition is equal to, I want to print 30. In this style, I need outputs. So if you take other programming languages, it is very difficult to write code in this style. But in Python, sir, it is very simple. How I am going to write is, listen carefully. Within double quotations, you can take like this. X is equal to, within flower bracket, I am taking X. And Y is equal to, within flower bracket, I am taking Y. And addition. Addition is equal to, within flower bracket, I am taking Z. That's all. During execution of the program, what will happen? Sir, x value is going to be substituted here within flower bracket. Whatever variable name you have taken, that value is going to be substituted, and y value and addition also it will calculate. Sir, I want to check really is it working or not. Assume I am giving 10 and then 20. Sir, are you seeing here is the values got substituted? No, sir, because whatever x value that you have given, it is not substituting. Simply we are getting within flower bracket. That means within double quotations, whatever you have given, it is taking as it is. Sir, where is the substitution? If you want to substitute, we have to take one special format here, which is nothing but f. F indicates formatted string. So during execution of the program, these values are going to be formatted. Like x is equal to, it will format this. So that what will happen? In the place of that flower bracket, inside that which object you have taken, x, that value will be substituted. Now let us give 10 and 20. Are you seeing? X is a 10, y is a 20, addition is 30. How easy it is. I am trying to explain in that manner. If you take Java, some plus operator we have to take. If you take C language, percentage D, such type of terminology is required. But if you take in Python, simply it is going to be substituted. Sir, I think there is nothing in this. You understood very well about this small syntax, whatever I have written. Sir, are you feeling any difficulty here? Please confirm.
No.
So this flower bracket, inside this you can take any variable. What it will do? It will act as a something like a replacement operator. At the time of execution, that value will be substituted in this total place. Right? Clear, guys? Any doubt? Are you clear? Please confirm, everyone. Right. This is nothing but today's fifth program what we have. Now, sir, the next one, example number 6. What is my example is, listen carefully, friends. I want to write a program to perform addition, but sir, I want to take this information, I want to write this information to a file. I want to write this information to a file. So, in my current working directory, if you see, in which folder we are working, in test folder, there are so many files are there. Sir, is there any text files here? Yes. Saturday.txt is there. Sunday.txt is there. I want to create a text file with name. So AAA.txt. How to create a file? FP. FP stands for file pointer. Any name you can take. I am trying to open a file with the name AAA.txt. Sir, the mode is nothing but a W. W means what? We are going to write information to this particular file. We are going to write information to this particular file. And fp dot, we can take a special function. What is that function? Write. You can take this message as it is. That's all. After writing, just try to close the file. Sir, what we are doing in these 3 lines? We are trying to create a file with name AAA.txt. In which mode? Write mode. Sir, why you have given in write mode? Because we need to write the content. And fp.write of this entire information will be written to AAA.txt. And we are closing that file point. That's all. Now I want to run this program. Let us see. Sir, I am giving input like 111, 222. Sir, we got result like x is equal to 111, y is equal to 222, addition is equal to 333. Sir, is this information is written to the file or not? Are you seeing anywhere AAA.txt? Yes, you can see just now this AAA.txt file got created. Open this file and see what information is there. Sir, are you seeing x is equal to, y is equal to, and addition is equal to 333. Like this, we can able to store the information into the file, sir. Sir, are you feeling any difficulty in this program? Please confirm.
No, sir.
No.
Are you comfortable with this?
Yes.
No doubt, right?
No.
Right. Now, sir, one more program I want to take. Just I will close this editor. I need to use edit plus. Yeah. So just this is nothing but one program what we have done. Sir, now if I run this program one more time, like the same example program, I am going to run one more time. Now I will give 111 and 333. One more time I am going to give 111 and then 444. Sir, total how many times we performed addition operation? 3 times. Is this 3 information will be available in the file? No, sir. What is the latest operation that you performed? That operation only will be stored. It won't store all the information, because every time what it is going to do is first it will check is AAA.txt file is there or not. If this file is already there, it will delete that file and it will create a new file with the same name and it will write. This is the thing which is going to be happen. So, but there is one more mode is there, like A. If you take A stands for append. Append is going to do 2 operations. So if if a file existed, then append the content, or add the content at last. Sir, if a file not existed, if the file is not existed, then so create and perform write operation. Like that, 2 operations will be there. Sir, now I don't want to take AAA, I will take BBB. Okay. Now see what will happen. Sir, I am running the code. 111, 222. Then I am going to give 111, 333. Then I am going to give 111, 444. How many times we performed addition operation? 3 times we performed addition operation. Now you can see, sir, what is that BBB.txt file? Is it created or not? So BBB.txt, it is not created.
So it's triple B, right?
It is there.
Is it there?
Triple B.T. Yeah,
Yes,
the
it
above
is
one.
there. Yeah, I am searching for a triple. Okay, triple B is there. Now, if you open this, listen carefully, friends. Is the information is written? All these 3 cases are written or not? Please confirm all these 3 times execution
It,
output.
Yes, sir.
it is written.
But there is one small problem. Are you seeing what is that problem? It is not coming line by line.
Correct.
Okay. So in Python, what print function is do? It will print the content and the control will be transferred to the next line automatically. But here it is not doing. So what is the difference between write function and print function? If anyone is asking, the functionality of print function and write function, both are same. Print function will print this information on the screen. Write function will write this information on the file. But one difference is there. Print function, after printing this, immediately the control will come to the next line. In C language, it is not happened. In C language, we have to use a /n manually to come to the next line. In Java and Python, these are high-level programming languages. They won't focus on the small little things. They will concentrate only on big activities. That's why print function by default have written in such a way that after printing the content, the control will transfer to the next line automatically. Whereas write function, it will stay in the same line. Sir, I want to get to next line. Better to use /n. That's all, sir. Now I will take another file called CCC. Now, if I run the program, see what will happen. Sir, I am giving 101 and then 101. So now I am giving 101 and then 202. So now I am giving 101 and then 303. Now I am giving 101. So 404. You can see 4 times we performed. Sir, is the information is there in CCC? Yes. Definitely line by line it is going to written. Sir, if you want, you can add timestamp also. Timestamp means what? On which date and the time this particular operation has been performed. That date and the time also you can include here. That and all we will discuss in detail in the loggings. In the log file, whenever the user logged in into the application, we have to register that flow. So that and all I will explain later. So how many versions I covered? I think every version is clearly giving the clarity. Sir, up to this, do you have any doubt, friends?
The other programming language, actually, we will create that object, then within that object, we will call that method. But here in line number 172, you are calling directly that.
In line number?
Line number 5.
Hmm.
So we are directly calling that method. Open is a method only, right?
Yes, open is the function, not method.
Yeah.
See, I told in the beginning, my Python is providing support for scripting, next and after that functional programming and object-oriented programming, right? So whatever program I have written here is scripting. Whatever this open function is there, it is a functional. Okay. So like that object-oriented programming, it is not yet covered as of now. So nowadays, functional programming is getting more benefit. See, functional programming, object-oriented programming, both are same, sir. Only difference is function programming, no security will be there. But here, high security will be there. So open, anyone can able to open the file. Is there any security for this? No. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
But if I want to create a student, username, password, n number of things I want to maintain, then compulsory security must be required. If it is a student, then only we can. Understood, sir?
Yes.
In Java also recently, they are giving more concentration on functional programming. You can see lambda expressions, n number of things came. So we have a Python which provides support for all these three approaches. Sir, feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other questions? Clear? Right. Sir,
So,
now
one question, when you open the file, you are actually keeping the append in quotes. Is it
yes,
right? It
yes,
has to
yes.
be a string.
Yesterday only we covered one point. If you remembered, string is the most commonly used object in any programming language. Am I right?
Yes.
That's why when you
Okay.
are printing the data, you have to give the data in string format. When you are reading the data also, it will give in the string format. Everything will be represented in the form of string only.
Okay. I was talking about line number 5. Yeah, the append is a open file name, and the mode of
Actually, the syntax is open is the function name. Okay. First, we have
Okay.
to give the file name. Second one, mode. So file name can be anything. File name can be anything. Suppose if I am taking coffee. 1 second. File name is, for example, if I want to take abc.txt, we can take, or suppose if it is present in D drive. So in D drive, there is a new folder is there. Inside that abc.txt, I want to create. Like this also we can take. What about mode?
Okay.
Mode is nothing but what type of operation. If you are doing reading operation, you have to take R. If you are doing writing operation, you have to take W. If you are reading, if you are doing append operation, you have to take A. Sir, I want to read, I want to write, both I want to take. Then R plus. Like that, so many methods are there. I mean, so many modes are there. We will see in detail about
Okay.
this in a file handling.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, sir, actually, we need to talk about that object-oriented concepts. Actually, I mean, sorry, data types. But before that, I will explain two programs, and then I will close these example programs. See, I want to find out the factorial of the given number. I want to write a program to find a factorial. How we are going to take is n is equal to int of input, enter any number. Sir, what this function is going to do? It will read a number from the user and it will convert into integer. Sir, now I want to find out factorial. Initially, I am going to consider factorial is equal to 1. Sir, don't worry, you may get some doubt here. So I will explain. For each I value in the range of 1 to n plus 1, 1 to n plus 1, f is equal to f into I. Sir, don't go in detail. Just I will explain at the top level. Print function, I am taking, so factorial of this n is f. Like this I am trying to print. Listen how it is working. Sir, here if you see, okay, here if you see, n value, assume I have given 4, sir. What will happen internally? It will create one variable like f. The content of the variable is initially 1. Are you clear with these first two lines? Please confirm.
Yes.
So what this third line and fourth line are going to do? Now I am going to demonstrate. Please listen carefully. See, for I in the range of, 1 to n plus 1, for I in the range of 1 to n plus 1, 1 comma, sir, n plus 1. What is n value? 4. 4 plus 1 means 5. 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. How many values it is going to generate? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. It won't include this 5. So, sorry, it will include first argument. It will exclude last argument. Like that we have. It won't include first argument. It will exclude last argument. Okay, first argument is considered. Last argument is excluded. Like it is generating 4 values. What this for loop is going to do? It will generate these 4 values. In other programming languages, we will write like this. I is equal to 1. So I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. The same thing is written in Python, like for I in range of, so 1 comma n plus 1. Why I am taking n plus 1? N value, if you want, you need to take n plus 1. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
f is equal to f into I. Sir, first time, what is the value of I, sir?
1.
1.
1. Initial value of f is what? 1, right? So 1 into 1 will be performed. Am I right?
Yes.
What is the result? 1. That 1 will be updated in f. Second time, what is the value of I? 2. So it will perform 2 into, sorry, already existing value is 1. 1 into 2. 2. That 2 will be updated here. Next time the value of I is 3. So 2 into 3. What is the value? 6. That will be updated. Next time 4. Sir, 6 into 4, which is nothing but 24. That will be updated. Is there any next I value? No, it will stop. Then it is going to print factorial of n. What is the n value? 4. E is f. What is the latest value of f? 24. So 4 factorial is 24. Like that we will get. Any doubt up to this?
No.
Sir, everyone understood how the functionality is working here?
Yes, sir.
Please confirm.
Yes.
Now, so if I run this program, py space sunday.py, enter any number 4. It is returning factorial is 24. If I give 5, 120. If I give 10, this is the factorial. Like the program is working perfectly. Sir, no doubt right up to this? Clear? Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes.
same program, this much line content is not required. These 3 lines we can eliminate. What this we have is, sir, in Python, there is one module is there with name math. There is one module is there with name math. In this math module, there is one function is there with name factorial. Just you have to pass the value of n. It will return factorial, sir. But to work with this, we have to import one module called math. That's all. What it is going to do? It will calculate factorial for the given number. Sir, is it working or not? Let me check. 1 means 1. Sir, 2 means 2. So 8 means 40320. Like that we are getting. Up to this, I think it is very clear for you, right? How short we can write the code by using predefined library. So who is providing support for this? This math module is defined one particular function called factorial. Sir, everyone understood?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes.
No.
One last program I will take. With that, I will close these examples. See, I want to calculate palindrome number. You know palindrome number, right? How to write code for palindrome numbers?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Palindrome means what? A number, if you reverse, same number we need to get. For example, 123. Is it palindrome?
No, sir.
No. Why? Because if you reverse, what is the output that we will get?
3 to 1.
3 to 1. So 121. Is it palindrome?
Yes, sir.
I want to write a program, okay, to print the list of palindrome numbers, list of 3-digit palindrome numbers. Sir, I am taking a loop for I in the range of, please try to understand my words. If you are not understanding, just leave it. So 100, 1000 I am taking. Sir, can I give guarantee that in this loop, it will drop the numbers from 100 to 999? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to check whether it is a palindrome or not. How you can able to check? We will take a if condition. Sir, if the given number I am converting into string, str is the function by using which we can able to convert the given number into which format? String format. Then is double equal to str of I colon colon minus 1. There is one special operation is there in strings. We will discuss in the upcoming classes. What this operator will do is automatically it will reverse. We are not required to write a separate code for reverse. So once if this condition is satisfied, can you please print that particular number? That's all, sir. If I run this program, what is the output that I'm going to get is All palindrome numbers it will print. 101, 111, 121, 131. Are you seeing, sir? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes.
No.
Clear?
Mm.
Sometimes they will ask a question like this. Sometimes they will ask a question like this. Can you please store this information into a list? So then we have to create one empty list like this, something like array. Instead of printing, I am taking L dot append of I, and at last we have to print the value of L. So print of L I am taking. So what it is going to do, it will print that elements. You can see in the list, we have the complete elements are there from 1012 up to 999. Sir, this is nothing but just one small code, a mini project code that I'm trying to explain. Sir, in this, what is the output that we got? We got a list where every element is present, which is nothing but palindrome. Sir, if you are comfortable with this, I will reduce this code and I will demonstrate one program. Up to this clear?
Sir,
Yes.
one doubt.
Yes, madam.
Print of L means it should, I mean, I think it will display only L letter, right?
No. If you print like this, if you print within double quotations, it will print that
Okay.
content. If you
Okay, sir.
print L, it is not a string, right? We are trying to print some content. Have you observed in our previous example, somewhere we have done like this? Z is equal to X plus Y. And we have printed the value of Z at very beginning. It is not
Yes, sir.
printing Z character. It is printing 30. Why? Because it is a container, right? It is having some value. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, clear everyone?
Sir, I have a question. L I'm taking in a array. So if I want to print without this array bracket, then how I will print?
You can take, sir. We have an option is there. For each I value in the list, we can print.
Okay.
One by one element, it will print. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I have one small tool is there. This much code is not required, sir. Here I am taking for each I in the range of, so 100 to 1000 I am taking. What this loop is going to do, it will generate the numbers one by one, and str of I is double equal to str of I, so colon -1. Like this we can take. We are not required to take this much code. What this is going to do, for each I value present in this range, it will generate the values. One by one value it will check, and str of I is equal to str of I colon -1. So if 101 is coming, reverse of this one, same, then take that into the list. If 102 is coming, here 201, both are not same, so don't take. Like that we can take. This is one more option what we have. Sir, same output we will get. 1 second. Here -1 I missed. Now you can see. So what is the output that we are getting? False, 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 something like that. Sir, I will take I, and I will put a condition here if this condition is satisfied. Now see what output we are going to get. Sir, are you seeing is the numbers are coming or not? Yes. So within single line also we can write code in this style. Sir, I hope it is easy to write the code in Python that I am trying to explain. Clear, sir, up to this?
Yes.
Clear? Sir, are you comfortable with this?
Sir, why this true false came last time?
Why? Because here instead of I have taken this one, right?
Yes.
First time it will take a number 100. 100 is double equal to reverse of that 100. No, false, right? That value it is taking.
Okay.
Understood? Every 100,000 values you will get. Is the condition is true means true we will get. If the condition is false means we will get false.
Okay. Is there anything like after for only we have to put the condition or like?
Yes, this is the syntax. This is called as list comprehension. Like this only we have to write. See, it is a demo, sir. Definitely internally we will see all these things.
Okay.
Multiple examples. I am going to give around 20 to 30 assignments only on this list comprehension. It's something like a fun. Just you can practice with level by level. Definitely you are going to get. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, clear up to this? Sir, in this, are you seeing any numbers which are having 0? Sir, here 0 is there. Here 0 is there. So somewhere else 0 is there. Like we have some numbers which are having 0. Am I right? Clear.
Correct. Yeah.
So I don't want that kind of cases. I have a special case is there, or let me take one. I want to write a special case where in that number 1 should not be there. Like that I want to put a condition. What we can do, sir, here this is my first condition, second condition, and if you convert that into string, in that and 1, the character 1 not in yes, there is one special operator is there called not in. If 1 is not there in this string and original number, reverse number same, if these two conditions satisfied, then only I want to take such type of results. Sir, in the result set, you can see there are some palindrome numbers like 101, which is not printed in the list. Why it is not printed? Because if the number contains 1, I didn't include it into the result. Sir, I think this one is also very clear for you. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
So I think from these 10 to 11 examples, I think you can see you don't have any knowledge in Python. So after attending this demo session for these 2 hours yesterday and today, at least you got some confidence that Python is somewhat easy to learn. So everything is a layman terminology only. But don't worry, I will take from the beginning and I will demonstrate. Up to this, are you feeling any difficulty with respect to Python programs?
No, sir.
Clear? Sir, same program, if I want to implement in Java, n number of things must be required. Directly we can't write, n number of things must be required. Okay. Right. With this, all these examples got completed. I'm going to start the syllabus. Sir, yesterday we covered one topic. What is that topic? Data types. What type of data we are using in the program is represented by data types. The most commonly used data type in any programming language is a string, and input function will always take the string, and print function will always print the value in the form of string. And what is mean by statically typed programming language, and what is mean by dynamically typed programming language also I explained. Up to this, I think we covered. Even Python is providing support for how many data types? 14 data types are there. I think all these 14 data types I explained. Up to this, no doubt, right? Please confirm. No doubt, right?
So yesterday's
Could
section
you
actually,
say that again, frozen set and byte array once again?
Sir, I didn't cover in detail. Just I have given the list only.
Oh, okay.
One by one, we will see. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Clear? Right. Sir, before starting exploring these 14 data types, we need to focus on some functions. The following are the most commonly used functions in Python. In Python, the following are the most commonly used functions in Python. What are those most commonly used functions? First one is nothing but print. Within bracket, we have to give the object, sir. What this print function is going to do is, sir, it will print content of the given object. Whatever object you have given, it will try to print that content. Let us take one example, sir. Sir, I am taking A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. B is equal to, I am taking 34.789. C is equal to, I am taking something like 2. D is equal to, I am taking 10, 20, 30. I think you know about these types, right? Sir, print of A, what output we will get? 10. Print of B, what output we will get? 34.789. So print of C, what output we will get? We will get a true. Sir, print of D, what output we will get? The 10, 20, 30 is going to come. Let us cross check. Are you seeing? So irrespective of the type what it is holding, print function is directly printing the content. Sir, this first function, already we used this in our program. Sir, do you have any doubt in this? Is the first function is clear?
Yeah.
Clear, sir? Please confirm.
Yes.
Then second function, sir, type function. We have to pass an object. What this type function is going to do? Name itself is giving very clear clarity. So it is used to print, or it is used to return the type of the given object. It is used to return the type of the given object. Sir, example. Here you can see in the program, sir, A is there. Okay, I want to print type of A. Sir, A is having which value? 10, sir. A is having which value? 10. I want to print its type. What is the type of A? Anyone, can you please tell me?
Integer.
Integer. It will print integer. Sir, type of B, sir?
Float, sir.
Float. Points representation, right? It is called as float. Sir, type of C, sir? Boolean. Type of D, sir?
List.
List. Today only we discussed, right? So now type function is there, which is used to return the type of the data. Sir, 10 is integer. 34.786 is float. True is nothing but Boolean. 10, 20, 30 within square brackets is nothing but a list. Like that we have. Sir, why this type function is available? Because in Python, we don't have any explicit declaration for the type. At any point of time, if you want to know what type of value it is holding, then you can use this type function. Point number 1. Second point, at the time of printing, we are seeing one keyword, sir. What is this keyword? I told in the beginning somewhere, in Python, everything is treated as an object only. Everything is treated as an object only. That's why this list is object for the class called list. So this true is the object for the class Boolean. Like that it is represented. Sir, I think you are clear with this concept. Any doubt? Sir, clear about this? Clear, sir? Please confirm.
Yes.
Then, sir, next function is ID function. We have to pass the object. The people who are coming from C language background, sir, there is one special operator is there, ampersand. What ampersand is going to do? It will return address of the given variable or object. Same way here also. What ID function is going to do is it returns address or reference, address or reference value, or I can say memory location value of the given object. For the given object, it will return. Let me take one example. Sir, here I am going to take A is equal to 10. If you print A, we will get the content. Sir, I want to print ID of A. What Python memory is going to do is, assume this is nothing but Python memory what we have. Sir, first Python is going to check, array, in this particular memory unit, sir, is there any content, is there any object with the content 10? There is no object. Then what will happen? Python is going to create some memory location. What is the content? Sir, it will take 10 as the content. A is the reference variable pointing to this. Now what will happen? What is the address of this memory? That will be returned by using this ID function. Let us execute and see what will happen. Sir, 10. And this is nothing but ID. It is a memory address. It is a memory address returned in this format. Sir, I think you are clear with this first example. Clear, friends? Any doubt?
No.
Clear up to this? Please confirm.
Yes.
Now, sir, next I want to take another variable called b is equal to 20. Sir, what Python is going to do is, Python is a bit intelligent programming language. So whenever it encounters that second line, b is equal to 20, what Python is going to check is, first it will check internally, sir, is there any memory location with the content 20? No, sir. Then it will create that memory location with the content 20. B is the reference variable pointing to that particular memory location. Sir, are we going to get a new address for this or not? Yes. So you can see first address is different from second address. Like that we have. Sir, are you clear with the second example?
Yes.
Then third example, sir. Please focus. Now I'm taking, okay, now I'm going to take C is equal to 10, sir. First, Python will check, array, you are trying to create an object for the value 10. First, Python is going to check, in this memory unit, is there any object which is having content 10? Yes, sir. Why we need to create another object? Unnecessary memory wastage. So let us ask C also to refer to the same object so that we can save the memory. This is the biggest advantage what we have in Python. Now, so the address of A and the address of C, both must be same, right? If you want, you can see. This address and this address both are same. Okay, sir, I want new copy. Then a separate concept is there that we will discuss in the next sessions. Okay, sir, up to this, do you have any doubt how ID function is behaving?
No.
No.
sir.
Clear, sir?
Yes.
Right. One more function is there, like get the size of. We have to pass an object. What it is going to do? It returns size of the given object. Okay, size of the given object in bytes. It is going to return size of the given object in bytes. Sir, sys dot get size of, it is not a default function. It is bounded in some module with name sys. So if you want to find the size of the given object, we have to import one module. What is that module? Sys. In that sys module, suppose I want to find size for a comma sys dot get size of a. Similarly, I want to take b is equal to something like this. So b comma get size of b. So c comma get size of c. So what is the value of c? C is equal to, I'm taking like this. Now I want to print. Let us see what will happen. You can see what is the size of first variable, sir? 28 bytes. What is the size of second variable, sir? 32 bytes. What is the size of third variable, sir? 44 bytes. Like that we are going to take. I think everyone understood how it is going to work internally. Any doubt, friends? Please confirm.
Yeah.
Clear, everyone? Please confirm. Clear up to this?
Yes.
These are nothing but the first 4 functions what we have. What are the 4 functions? Print function, which is used to print the content. Type function, which will return the type of the object. ID function, which will return address of that particular object. Size of function, which will return the size of the object in bytes. These 4 functions compulsory we should understand. Now, so now we will start the actual data types. What is the first data type that we have, sir? Integer data type. I think we know what is integer data type when we can go for this integer data type. Sir, it is used to represent. It is used to represent integral. Okay, integral, integer values, integer values. Please make sure there is no range concept. There is no range concept. Means this is the minimum value, this is the maximum value. Like that, is there any range? No, there is no range concept. Okay, sir, now it will take the values from minus infinite to plus infinite. It will take the values from minus infinite to plus infinite. Whenever you are creating an object for integer class, it is of type class integer. Let me take one example. Already we covered this example. If I am taking a is equal to 10, so print of a, and I want to print type of a. What type of object it is? It is integer object. It will print like this 10. It is of type class integer. Like that we have. This is nothing but the basic idea of integer objects. Any doubt up to this?
No, sir.
Then,
Could you
sir,
please explain what is the no range concept that you mentioned? I think I
no
lost
range
that.
means, sir, there is no limitation. In Java and all, if you are trying to take any variable like this, see
Oh, okay.
integer a is equal to, can I take like this? Yes, this is the valid Java program. If you are trying to compile, the program is going to compile fine. Okay, but when you are trying to take like this, what will happen? There is a limitation. It will rise. Integer number is
Okay.
too large. But in Python, is it possible to store this particular number? Yes, no problem. You can take. No issue at all. It will take. If you run
Okay.
in Python,
Got
it
it.
is going to work. Okay, there is no range concept. This is the limit.
Okay.
Like that, we don't have anything. Right, sir?
Got it.
Now, sir, we can represent integer values in Python by using the following 4 forms. The first form is nothing but decimal format. We can give in decimal form. Sir, for decimal form, directly we can declare. Directly we can represent. There is no explicit way. Directly we can take. For example, I am taking a is equal to 10. If I print a, what output we will get? We will get a 10. If I print a, what output we will get? We will get a 10. If you want, you can see we are getting 10. Okay. Sir, second way is we can represent in octal. We can represent in octal form also. Octal form means what? Sir, we can represent by prefixed with 0 small o or 0 capital O. If any number is prefixed with 0 small o or 0 capital O, it is called as octal form. Sir, now I am taking b is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, O, 1, 0. It is octal form. If you are trying to print, what output we will get? Let me run first. You can see the output is 8. Sir, we have taken 10, but how output 8 is coming? Because we have given the input like 1 0 in which format? Base 8, because octal base is 8, but output is required in base 10. How you can convert? 1 0 is the number, right? First we have to take this one, 0 into 8 power 0. Then take the next digit, 1 into 8 power 1. Like this we have to take. 0 into 8 power 0 will become 0. 1 into 8 power 1 will become 8. The sum is nothing but 8. That's why we are getting 8. This is nothing but how you can able to convert from octal to decimal. Sir, clear up to this? Everyone understood?
The sign has to be placed after 0 only, sir, or you can place anywhere. You pass 0 then 0 1 0, right? The sign
First 0 0 O. That's all. These two are fixed. Then you can take any number. So that number, if you take 123, is 123 is a decimal value? No, it is a octal value. Why? Because it is prefixed. Take the first digit 3 into 8 power 0. Take the second digit 8 power 1. Like that, we have to keep on multiply with the digits. Whatever result you are getting, you need to calculate sum. Got it?
Yeah.
So that's why we are getting 8. So one more format is there, sir. What is that format? Is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal form. Hexadecimal form. What is hexadecimal form? It must be prefixed with 0 small x or 0 capital X. 0 small x or 0 capital X. If you prefix with 0 small x, okay, and if you print C, what output we are going to get? Same. But for hexadecimal, base is nothing but 16. So 0 into 16 power 0, 1 into 16 power 1. So 1 in 0 into this one will become 0. 1 into 16 will be 16. The total result is nothing but what? 16. Let us see. We are getting like this. Sir, everyone understood?
Yes.
Clear, sir? Then what is the third one, sir? We have binary form is there. What is this binary form? So we can prefix. It must be prefixed with. It must be prefixed with. So 0 small b or 0 capital B. 0 small b or 0 capital B. Now I am going to take D is equal to 0 b 1 0. If you print D, what output we will get? Sir, same 10, right? But a binary form 0 into 2 power 0, 1 into 2 power 1. Why? Because 2 is the base for binary. This is 0, this is 2. Result is nothing but 2. Let me check. Like that we have. So we can represent the integer values in these 4 forms. But output is always decimal. We can represent integer values. We can represent integer values. Okay, integer values in any form, but Python consider only in which format? Decimal format. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, I think everyone understood the scenario. Any doubts up to this, whatever I covered? Sir, please confirm everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No doubts, right?
No.
Right, sir. So that's all about demo sessions. Yesterday and today, we have taken the demo. So remaining things, we will have the regular session from next week onwards.